Aedes invasive mosquitoes AIM Cost Action is a networking initiative funded by the European Community to enhance and promote scientific and technical knowledge on surveillance and control of invasive mosquitoes.
It aims to develop an extensive multidisciplinary pan-European network among scientists and stakeholders working with and for civil society to reduce public health risk associated with invasive mosquitoes.
Invasive Aedes mosquitoes were initially transported from the tropics by human trade and colonized areas they'd never lived in before. But once settled in a new location, they can move to other neighbouring regions. Their aggressive and diurnal biting behaviour significantly negatively impacts the life of the local human population.
They impose a significant economic burden through attempts to reduce their nuisance biting. In addition, invasive mosquitoes can also transmit dangerous diseases such as dengue, Zika, and chikungunya, making them a severe public health issue.
The most notorious invasive mosquito is Aedes albopictus, also known as the Asian tiger mosquito. In 30 years since its introduction into Italy, it has spread all over southern and central Europe.
On multiple occasions, the species has transmitted chikungunya and dengue in Europe, causing hundreds of human infections. Mosquitoes develop on walls, in the bushes, and the wet soil? No, wrong. They only rest on these. Mosquitoes could not survive without water. Their larvae and pupa must live in water before they transform into flying adults. So, no water, no mosquitoes. Remember this, get rid of the stagnant water around your home.
Males feed on flower nectar. Only female mosquitoes feed on blood. They need blood to produce their eggs. So no blood, no mosquitoes.
Personal protection measures prevent female mosquitoes from taking blood. To lower the risk of infection and mosquitoes reproduction, we must all remember to use repellents, protective clothing, and cover our windows with screens.
The presence of mosquitoes does not mean the presence of the disease. Female mosquitoes are infected by biting an infected person. So except when they are local outbreaks, a mosquito must bite an infected person returning from an exotic region to become infected by an alien virus. The virus then multiplies into the mosquito, and after a few days, the mosquito can transmit it to a healthy person with a new bite.
Invasive and some native mosquitoes, such as the house mosquito, which is the vector of West Nile virus, choose human-made containers for their larvae to develop. Other native mosquitoes breed in the water by river flooding, channels or marshes. The most successful way of fighting Aedes invasive mosquitoes is to target the container where their juveniles live. Living in the water, they are less mobile and more concentrated than adults.
If we miss controlling the larva, we will need to spray 1,000 times bigger surface to control flying adults. Therefore, adult control by insecticide spraying is more challenging, less effective and dangerous for other insect species, including beneficial insects such as bees and the environment. As you see, suppressing the number of invasive mosquitoes is not easy. Authorities, scientists and citizens must unify to fight these mosquitoes.
Give your contribution to fighting this exotic enemy. Start with watching 2 other videos in the series.
Then engage yourself, your family, friends, neighbors, authorities to reduce larval site, mosquito nuisance and risk of disease transmission.
And remember, no water, no mosquitoes. No blood, no mosquitoes. And we need your help to succeed.